English fluency grows rapidly when learners explore topics that are relevant, global, and constantly evolving. Discussing global 2025 innovations offers an ideal pathway for building advanced vocabulary, expanding world knowledge, and strengthening the ability to speak with clarity and confidence. The year 2025 represents a period filled with technological breakthroughs, scientific discoveries, and new ideas that change how people live and work. By immersing yourself in conversations about these developments, you practice describing complex concepts, forming opinions, and expressing predictions in English. This approach allows language learning to feel purposeful and future-oriented. One influential area of innovation in 2025 is sustainable energy. Many nations around the world continue investing in low-carbon technologies, such as advanced solar panels, offshore wind farms, and improved energy storage systems. These developments support global climate goals and encourage communities to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. When you discuss these innovations in English, you learn to use vocabulary related to environmental policy, scientific progress, and international cooperation. You also learn to explain processes, compare solutions, and analyze long-term outcomes. These are essential skills for real-world communication. Global innovations in 2025 also include advancements in human health. Research teams across the world develop treatments that rely on genetic understanding, personalized medicine, and early detection through smart devices. For example, wearable sensors can monitor vital signs continuously and alert doctors before serious symptoms appear. Medical platforms use large amounts of data to identify patterns that improve decision-making. When learners discuss these topics, they practice vocabulary related to biology, healthcare policy, and digital technology. They also gain experience describing cause and effect relationships, explaining scientific procedures, and summarizing research findings. Improved communication technologies also shape daily life in 2025. Many people use real-time translation tools that support cross-cultural interactions. Virtual environments allow individuals to collaborate on projects, attend global meetings, and participate in training from different parts of the world. These innovations make global teamwork easier and more accessible. Discussing these developments in English strengthens your ability to describe social change, evaluate new tools, and present ideas about human connection in a digital age. You learn to express excitement, curiosity, and concerns with clear reasoning. The final set of global innovations shaping 2025 involves education, culture, and human creativity. Many schools and training centers use advanced learning platforms that adapt to individual needs. Students receive guided practice, real-time feedback, and personalized study paths. Artistic fields also expand through digital tools that allow creators to merge traditional techniques with new media. These advancements help people express their imagination in unique ways. When you discuss such developments in English, you use descriptive language, analytical structures, and expressions that communicate personal insight. This strengthens your fluency and your ability to speak about human experience in a global context. Another major trend concerns sustainable living. Urban planners design cities with green spaces, energy-efficient housing, and systems that support recycling and water conservation. Communities experiment with new forms of agriculture, including vertical farms that grow food in tall buildings. These innovations reflect a movement toward healthier and more resilient societies. Discussing these improvements helps learners practice vocabulary related to the environment, public health, and community development. It also encourages meaningful conversation about global responsibility and shared solutions.